In this video, you'll learn how to design a custom email banner step by step using Canva. To get started, select the Create a Custom Size option to begin a new project with a custom size suited for an email banner. Next, enter your preferred width and height to set the precise dimensions. Choose the Custom Size option and adjust the fields until you're satisfied with the canvas size for your email graphic, and click the New Design. Once you are in the New Design workspace, you'll see a variety of templates available. Simply browse through them and select the one that best fits your needs. Now, you can customize your email banner however you'd like. For example, you can remove the existing text and add your own. Once you've finished adding your text to the design, you can also update the phone number, add your website link, and edit any other information on the banner. Then, if you'd like to change the design further, click the background color option and choose a color from the palette to personalize your banner with your brand or theme colors, helping it stand out. After that, if you'd like to use one of your uploaded images as the background for your email banner, go to the Upload section. Then, select your image. Once your image has been uploaded, right-click on it and select the Replace Background option to automatically fit it into the background. As you can see, the image is now perfectly adjusted to the banner background. Finally, our email banner design is complete. You've just learned how to create an email banner in Canva. Happy designing!